guys, welcome to Tech Mechatronic. Please kindly like, subscribe and share. This is DLC 253. Headlamp has been replaced. Headlight has been replaced. The unit was colluded. This one was colluded, so we have changed it, and it needs to be coded or it needs to be programmed. So let me get inside the car. Let me turn on the ignition. Let me bring my Maxisys here. So I have done the selection already, so I'm going to go into right. This is right headlamp. Go there direct and see whether we can do it or we can fix it. We have temperature sensor, whatever. We need to code and see whether it will work or not. Communication failure with left headlamp ring sensor adjustment. Sometimes some of this headlamp has it has differences. We have the American version and the European version. Most of the time the European version has this level sensor and other stuff in it, but let me do the programming and see if that fault will go off. Or click initial, then we go to manual initialization. First place, we need to turn our Bluetooth testing off, so we click on it to turn it off. Our USB is already connected. There is this thing on it, so I have to bring it down so that people can see it. I want to have a good place. Here will be all right. Then we click continue, then we click OK. So okay, we click yes to backup. It's reading the distance, so I want to pause it from this session, then continue from the other session, because I don't want the video to be long. Well, it's already completed, so I guess I have to wait. And this is the dashboard. Nothing has changed over there, so we stick here. Well, it's acquiring data now. We are going to click OK to backup. Click OK. Do you want to program related unit? We click yes. Then we click OK. Because I'm programming the right side, I have to code everything so that everything will be programmed or coded. As you can see, current software number is the last digit is the current number is 22290236112. and the target software number is 25390. So we click on it. You all have seen the differences. This is 253, the GLC is 253, and the coding number for the head unit already was 222. So we click on yes. Anytime there is a code, you are coding this thing online, you see the back light will automatically went off, and it will pop up when you are done or something. So we have total number left, or total minute left, 1 minute and something seconds. So the left side has finished. The left side is finished, and left with the right side. So it will download another session, then continue from there. As I told you earlier on, as the P has highlighted, as you can see, the left side headlight is 253, but the right side was 222. So we hit on okay, because the distance is already, the left side is already the model is 253. I guess it will work, because the right side was 222, and I have code. We also saw how the coding went, so it has changed it to 253. So we continue from this session because it was taking long, so I decided to pause it so that the video won't be long. The P has turned back. So in this stage we click on 65% to run. Normally sometimes you will get 85% as the highest, but 65 is nothing. It's not bad. 65 is not bad, but it asks us to turn the ignition off, so I've turned the ignition off, and then we click OK. Turn the ignition on, then we click OK. He's asking us to disconnect the OBD socket and check the right headlamp works properly or not. So I'm not going to disconnect it, but I will just click OK. Then from this session, I don't know if you can see the headlight flashes from that session. You know, it's configuring, so I'm coming. This is the right side, the left side. Please, you play this. So flash it for me. As you guess, that's the high. Tail light, indicator light this side. As you see, it's working. So I'm going to code this session and get it done. So this session, as we can see, 82. We click on 82, then we hit on run to write the coding numbers. So it's asking me to turn the ignition off. This is it. Click OK. On. Then we do the same test, but I want you to watch it from this session. Can you see? That is it. It works. Can you see that? It's working. It's working. So we click OK. And we will scan the left side to see whether the communication error is still there or not. It's asking for these coding numbers for, let me see, the coding number. I have this scan, this thing over here, so I'm going to use this one. Please hold it for me. So I will just click the scan. This is the bill code, barcode, or whatever they call it. So I just click on the scan over here, then show it from this session to see whether it can scan it. It is either I will type in the coding numbers I have already obtained from the right side. Okay, it couldn't recognize it, but as I said, I have scanned the distance, so I will just try and type in there. It's very long. This is it. It's very long, so I'm going to type it one by one. You can see I have scanned the barcode, and this is it. I click continue for it. Then I'm going to scan the quick response code. There is a quick response code over there, so then I'm going to scan the quick response code. This is the quick response code. As you can see, the small in the middle over there, that's the quick response code, and this is the LED response code has been scanned, and that is the quick response code. So we click on continue. So we have our coding successful over here, and as we can see, our channel 1, 2, 3 and other stuffs are there. So we click on flash. That is the head. Let me turn this thing on. As you can see, when you turn the output on, then you switch off, put it on, then we hit on flash, signal, so it's working. Let me click continue to finish this thing. I will ask someone to we are done. The car has been started. That's fuel. We are going to do the same thing for the left side. So gotten the corresponding code. So I'm going to try. Click OK, continue. Yeah. So that is it. The corresponding code was incorrect, so I have to go and get the. Sorry, it was LED code, and I was mistaking it for corresponding code. So click on continue, and my device's battery is dying, so I need to be very fast on this. So I have to go and scan the corresponding code. So here I have to go and scan the corresponding code. I made a mistake. I'm going to scan the corresponding code. I will show you again where the corresponding code is or was. This is the corresponding code. This is it. C code. That's the corresponding. That's the quick response code. Has been scanned. And I click continue. Yeah, successful. Click OK. Everything has been done. I guess battery new one. Oh. So as you can see, the fault went off by itself. So that is it. Let me show you once again whether the headlight and everything are working perfectly. So let me switch on my Bluetooth. Disconnect this one. Yeah, fuel no day inside, so switching the headlight on. I don't know if you can see the flashlights over there. Operating on one. Flash. That's high. Hazard. Hazard is on. That's hazard. Flash. That's Headlight. So it's working. GLC, and that is how we do online coding for the Headlight. So I'm done. Thank you for watching.